So my parents have solar in their house. They told me it can provide a lot of benefits. And also with price almost gouging by PG&E. After getting solar installed, watching how dramatically different our bill is crazy, honestly. I didn't think it would be that much of a difference, but a little under 400 bucks. And it cut into a quarter after getting solar installed. I think it was maybe a few dollars over 100. It was crazy. Jeff was our main point of contact. He was amazing. I asked him probably 100 questions. He answered them all like really quickly. So throughout the process, I mean, it was just very crystal clear when everyone's coming out, what they're doing. The initial point of contact I had was great. He explained everything to me in terms of like where we put the solar panels, cost differences, averages in the area. So it made me feel very confident that this would be a beneficial thing. I think they did it in, I feel like a couple hours. It was pretty impressive. You look outside and you have all the stuff on the roof, and I know I haven't even taken lunch yet. And from like the first time a guy came to my door to talking with Jeff, and that process was really quick turnaround. We have the app that they let me download on my phone. And I think that was probably the coolest thing, because obviously it's producing, or you think it's producing, right? But actually seeing it on your phone and watching those, like how much you've exported or how much you imported and how much you're solar. I mean, I think that was amazing to see. Yeah. In the app, it shows like how much carbon reduction you have per day. And I mean, it's like 30, 40 pounds of just our house alone. So that's probably the biggest thing I've noticed. And it makes me feel like I'm impactful. Jeff delivered on everything, every promise he made, from every word he said. To a T, right? He had like a little picture of like how they would install it. Looked exactly the same. He told me what we'd put on the side and how they would do it. From day one, Westhaven Power handled everything for us. I would recommend Westhaven Power to anyone who wants solar.